This video is for math teacher. You are a math teacher, you need to watch this video. How do you use OpenAI to actually make your math come very fun in the classroom and also generate ideas in case you have some kind of problem in math in your classroom? This tool called OpenAI, which is called ChartGPT, can actually help you out. So let's move to the screen immediately. So we actually have two types of OpenAI. There's a one called beta.openai.com. This is actually the GPT-3, and this is GPT-2, which I'm going to be using for now. So let's start with quiz. Can you help with create a math quiz for year 10? Okay, year 10, create in tabular form. Let's see. Okay, he's telling me to provide okay, grade 5 in, let me just say, in tabular form. Yeah, in tabular form. Yep, I know that's going to work out. Okay, so this will actually just enhance your work, make everything easy. What you need to do right now is to copy the questions and also the answer, add it to your quiz, and then with this you are done. Okay, can you create a simple let me look for any topic, a simple by 2. Okay, let me say division and subtraction, or equivalent factor. Okay, equivalent factor question and answer for me. Okay, let's see what will happen with this. I'm not a math guru. Let me see whether you can actually do some equivalent factor fraction and see. Okay, what is the equivalent fraction of 2/4? Answer 1/2. Explanation: this and that. Can I have more? Can I have more, please? As it's giving out more, let me look for another one again, or let me look for difficult questions. What are the, let me place value. Okay, can you create a place value question for grade 10 and in tabular form? Okay, look at all of this. This is not bad at all. So this alone can be used to set questions like immediately for math teacher. So you are a math teacher and you have your questions, you have everything. I know this alone is just like trying to give you some kind of ideas on what to do. You already know your maths. This tool is just going to simplify everything. As I said, the tool is to actually help you as a teacher. The tool is to help you as a teacher, and rather than you seeing it as a form of distraction. Can you help with more Okay, let's see. What I was going to. Okay, these are more few questions for grade 10. Okay. This is nice. I like this. And as it's bringing that, let me look for equivalent fraction factors. Okay, multiple pattern, this and that. Mathematicians come and bring questions. If you have a lot of questions over there, go directly. Okay, if I activated something on my ChatGPT, I can get a lot of. I'm going to teach you in another video on how to use your PC. By the time you are searching anything on Google.com, you're going to be getting answer directly from here. So get that video soon. Place value branding. So let me try this. Okay, these are more questions coming in. More questions are actually coming in. So better explanation. Some of the textbooks we have are going to be, they are not going to be useless, they are going to be useful, but we can be confirming anything written by anybody at this point. So nobody is the author and finisher of every knowledge. Verify, ask questions. That is the essence of the adaptation to AI. We are not using it to be lazy, we are only using it to know more, we are only using it to be able to enhance what we do in the classroom. Place value. Can you create a quiz? Okay, let's do quiz with this topic for grade 10. Okay, for grade 4. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen over here. Okay, yeah, some simple quizzes that we can use. So this is nice. You have to give it a class, give it a try, and I'm very sure you're about to do that right now. So as much as possible, as I said, this is one of the best tools out there. You need to do something about it. I like this. Math teachers, I'm done with yours. I'm going to be creating more videos on how this can enhance teaching in the classroom. So thank you very much and God bless you. We'll see in another video. Remember to subscribe to the class, ask questions if you are not clear about anything you are seeing on the screen. Thank you. Bye.